Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Tiger TV, back at it with another middle school math video. Today we're going to be doing probability, mean, mode, and median. So first you can just take a couple screenshots and read it yourself because I'm not going to read all of it. We're just going to go straight into the practice problems. You can pause the video and do them yourself, and we can go over them first. So starting at number 1. So there are 24 marbles in a bag. There are 8 red ones, 4 black ones, and so on. So you draw a blue marble first. So that's 25 minus 1, and that would be 24. The minus 1 is because you already drew a marble. So if you read the stuff at the description, top, whatever you want to call it, you learned that the probability means the favorable outcomes divided by the possible outcomes. In this case, the favorable outcomes is 8 because there are 8 red ones, and the possible is 24 because there are now 24 marbles because we drew a blue one already. So the answer is 8 over 24, 8 out of 24, or 33.3333 so on %. So in number 2, you learned that there's a dependent probability and an independent probability. So the first one was a dependent probability because you drew a blue marble and that stuff. So this one's an independent probability because the data at the beginning doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, don't worry about it. So the favorable outcomes is 1 and the possible is 2 because there are 2 genders. So the answer is 1 over 2, 1 out of 2, or 50%. So Bob scores blah, 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 blah on his algebra test. What's his average score? So you learned in the stuff above that you have to add all the scores together and then divide by the number of scores in the set. So if you add them all together, you'll find that it's 550. And then there are 6 of them, so you have to divide them by 6. So you'll find that that's between 91 and 92, and if you do that more in depth, because it says round to the nearest tenth, you'll find 91.6. So the kids in science class got blah, 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 blah. So you know that the mode is the data that appears the most, and 98 appears the most. So yeah, that's pretty easy. So for number 5, pile number 1 has 20 leaves, and pile number 2 has half of those leaves, so that's 10. Pile number 3 has 4 leaves because 2/5 of 10 is 4. And pile 4 has 5 leaves, and pile 5 has 24 leaves. So in the statement above, you read that the median, you have to order them from smallest to biggest, and the smallest here is 4, the second is 10, the third is 20, the fourth is 24, and the fifth is 45. So the median is the middle of all those numbers. It depends how many numbers there are. So the median in this will be 20 because 20 is in the middle of all the numbers. So you can read that. So it says median is the middle number, and then in quotations for parentheses S in a set of numbers ordered from smallest to largest. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I hope you did well today. You can pause at any point of any of my videos and look at anything you want. And you can do all the practice questions by yourself and we can go over them. Or you can just, I don't know, let your parents or something check it. So I could sometimes be wrong. I will apologize for that, but most of the time I'm not wrong, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on probability, mean, mode, and median, and I hope I'll catch you in my next video. Take it easy.